Go ahead, get in your tfbtv corner cuck chair because I'm about to make sweet love to your mail while you watch. Welcome to mailroom number 59? 60? I don't know why you guys watch this shit. I'm about to get in a lot of trouble because Lindsay bought these Sunny D vodka seltzers, 95 calories, 4.5% alcohol by volume, and the taste of Sunny D that we've all yearned for since 1992. She's going to be so mad when she finds out I'm drinking these without her. That is goddamn delicious. Holy shit. Couple of announcements, big changes to the giveaways. Now we are giving away 6 $250 Top Gun Supply gift certificates instead of giving away 4 guns. And the reason for that is because, first of all, we were getting more and more people who are entering every month who are a bunch of freeloading pussies, unlike a lot of you guys out there who are supporters on Utreon and Subscribestar who help keep this channel afloat. So we had a lot of freeloaders, had to get rid of them. One way to do it, A, go to law school and get a degree in practicing law and pass the bar and figure out that in the state of Louisiana, as long as it's $250 or under, you can do whatever the hell you want and it's not gambling. Well, it is gambling, but it's not legally gambling, and that's the critical distinction here. Now I can restrict it to only those people who are at the $5 level and higher on Utreon or Subscribestar. And YouTube almost kicked us off the goddamn platform because we were doing gun giveaways and they all of a sudden decided that wasn't cool anymore, even though we were doing it for years, like 4 or 5 years. They're like, yeah, if you keep doing that, we're going to ban you. So we are giving away gift certificates now, not guns. They said that was fine. So whatever. And now, because I get so backed up with Mailroom and I get so backed up with winners, and it's just really hard to do, especially at the beginning of the year, I'm just announcing the winners every single month on Utreon and Subscribestar. So go over there if you want to see if you've won. And that way I can regularly announce winners. There's no more of this shit where we're waiting on Mailroom and then I've got to announce like 20 winners for the past 3 months. The other big announcement, I bought a gun range with 2 of my buddies, but I bought a gun range and I am now the part owner of the Neutral Ground Gun Company at 212 Aycock Street in Araby, Louisiana, literally right on the other side of the city line with New Orleans. We are going to have the grandest of grand openings. It might be really one step above a tailgate, but still, we're going to be giving away 5 silencers, 4 so that is, we got 2 B&T suppressors we're giving away, 2 Arrow suppressors we're giving away, a Rugged Obsidian, we're giving away 2 Arrow, Glock, and some other stuff. So, and there's going to be more. But we're going to give all that shit away. We're going to have barbecue. We're going to have a band. And we're even going to have free beer after we shut down the range at 4 p.m. Going to be a great time. Come out April 29, 212 Aycock Street, Araby, Louisiana. Hope to see you guys there. Enough of this shit. Let's start with some mail. Oh, yeah. At EWA, we had a joint fan meetup with the guys from Polar Art Tactical. We had a couple of guys show up who were stationed over there. And, you know, they were like, oh, you can say this, but don't say this, and don't say what we're doing, and don't say who I am, and don't say where we were, blah, 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 but you can show the patches on Mailroom. So that's all I'm going to say. Thank you guys very much for the patches. They're going up on the wall behind me. Kalash Wave, Wichita, Kansas. All right, this guy's sending a bunch of Kalashnikov-related stuff, patches and stickers, stuff like that, so he's clearly mentally disabled. Good day, James. In this gift mailer, you'll see some goodies I've designed and made into stickers, patches. I'm just starting a small business for apparel merch, mixing AK-47 and retro aesthetics and synthwave music. Longtime viewer of tfbtv, love your work. Please excuse any smudges in this letter. I'm not drooling over you. I'm a lefty. Anyways, my business is called Kalash Wave, and I appreciate all you do. Please enjoy the merch. Give my regards to the wife. Stay radical, my friend. Merry Christmas. So this was in December. Certainly this guy is no longer in business, but if you're there, Mr. Kalash Wave, go ahead and leave a comment and tell people how to find you. Yeah, this one, September 2022. Oh, shit. I already know what this is, and I am really stoked about it. Okay. Yeah. Hey, James. A month ago, I found myself, despite my will, becoming Glock curious for the 43X. And while going down that rabbit hole of personal exploration, I came across your video about Shield Arms mags. One thing led to another, and I'm watching the Pen 15 gun. I have some experience making 3D metal parts. Find in this box a set of OK bird sights printed in stainless steel and bronze. Let me know what you think about them. Amused viewer Cody. Dude, this is effing perfect. Perfect. Oh my God. Oh my God. The Pen 15 is now truly complete. Troy, Salem, Oregon. Dude, you live like right down the street from Hop. Oh, why does this smell weird? Dear James, hope you had a good 2022. I know I did, thanks in part to you, because one of those things you said about the shirts I sent you, the one covered with the bare-chested cowboys and construction workers, those were some of the funniest things I heard last year. You need to get out more, my friend. Trey or Troy or whatever. As thanks, and as a 40th birthday gift, I wanted to send you something thoughtful this time, something that would appeal to your love of all things 80s. I sent you another shirt, but this one has one of the greatest gun guys of the 80s on it, albeit one who is known for carrying a 1911. No, you hate 1911s almost as much as you hate IPAs, but try to remember things were different back then. These were days before Die Hard, so we were living in a pre-Glock America. Anyhow, if the shirt isn't big enough, pass it on to Lindsay. She can wear it as a nightie. Here's hoping you have a great 2023. Your biggest fan in Oregon, Trey or Troy. Hey, pimply-assed man whore, what's up? Yes, I'm going to bring up the subject no one else will. No one wants to see you die of alcohol poisoning on video, so I included a couple of tokens to remind you to slow it down. And no, they're not mine. I got that shit under control as a 19-year-old devil dog. Seriously, though, busting your balls. I can tell you're not an alcoholic. You're just a social drunk. I hope the joking didn't put a permanent kink in your large veiny clitoris. I look forward to each mailroom. Very entertaining. Until they find someone good to do it, we'll put up with you. Just kidding. It's probably time for you to shave your legs, though. Carry on. 24-hour dry coin from Alcoholics Anonymous. My parents didn't raise a quitter. On that note, Sunny D, delicious. Delicious. I need a refill. A lot of people say Miller Lite is piss. This is God's piss, my friends. Speaking of, I've loved how riled up everybody's gotten over this Bud Light thing. What did they do? They made like a rainbow can or something like that. And all of a sudden, everybody is just now realizing that people who drink Bud Light are gay. We've known that for a long time. By the way, no disrespect to my homosexual viewers out there. I didn't mean to insinuate that any of you are Bud Light drinkers. Unknown user, country of Texas, El Paso, Texas. Actually, I'm going to be in El Paso in May for Lindsay's birthday. She wanted to go do all the national parks around there. There's 3 of them. Can't remember all 3 of them right now, like Big Bend and... Okay, Google, what are all of the national parks of Texas? I think Big Bend and Guadalupe and like some kind of sand dune thing. Hey, cocksucker, I've been watching tfbtv for about a year now. I'm going to be in Subscribestar soon, but only when it isn't football season because I have to pay $5 for the NFL app on my phone. Go Philly. Oh, man, I hate the Chiefs too, though. I'm a big Drew Brees fan. Genuinely sad to see him retire. Can't wait to see him get in the Hall of Fame. You and me both. Your review of the Maverick 88 was legit. Here in the country of Texas, we know how to build guns. I also like the budget AR-15 build-off thing. I dislike Glock. Seriously, can't you change the design at least once in 30 years? First of all, there have been at least 5 generations in total. Second of all, it was pretty much fucking perfect, or just about, to begin with, so there really doesn't need to be much done to it. My duty gun is an XDM Elite 3.8 9mm. Okay. The Springfield XD owner is going to be talking shit about Glocks. Oh boy, wow, this is rich. I love Mailroom. My EDC is Hellcat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, no wonder there's so many goddamn spelling errors in this thing. Jesus Christ. You're a fucking Philly fan who owns Springfields. You have literal fucking brain damage. You probably haven't done a review on the Elite because you know it will change your Glock fanboy mind. And it says Glock fanboy in quotes, you motherfucker. Mailroom is my favorite series, so I decided to send you a letter. I occasionally watch when I'm doing night shift duty, but spend my time thinking of ways to kidnap people and torture them in my soundproof basement with a two-way mirror. I have included a couple of cards from my brother-in-law's company. He helps veterans get disability benefits. Shameless plug for him. No beer because I'm an alcoholic and I need it for myself. No packages because I'm not paid enough. Good news is you won't get any hinty, missing an A. Won't get any hinty from me or anything Fortnite related because I'm not a pedo. He's not a pedo. He's just a sadist. And I enjoy real boobs. He put real in quotes. Are those ironic real boobs? However, I do enjoy Hop's hair and your legs. Your wife's hair is nice also. I have pictures. Of you guys on my wall next to Ted Kaczynski, Randy Weaver, Timothy McVeigh, Edward Snowden, Bob Lazar, you know, real American heroes. HERO''S. Exactly what I would expect from a Springfield owner, a multi-copy Springfield owner. From mailroom to mailroom. I think that used to be like an old school hack, like USPS hack, where you would put some nonsensical to address and then you wouldn't pay any postage. And you would put the actual address you wanted it delivered to as the return address. And I think they used to return it to the address that you wanted to send it to. Maybe that's an urban legend. I don't know. Dear Jimmy, I know how much you appreciate a good waifu pillow. I do. But they were fresh out at the local Cabela's. Every now and then they sell out of them. Real popular seller over there at Cabela's and Bass Pro Shops. However, I'm told there are some inspired products available on Etsy if you would like to search there. Enclosed, please find a few libations to help ease the pain associated with your day job. 2 of them are quite fruity to match your personality. Another is traditional when you're in a barrister kind of mood. Since it's Christmas time, we're supposed to think of others. I also included something for your fireplace that I think the pets will appreciate. Hopefully, by the time we hit mailroom 666, I will be dead. I will absolutely be dead, either through natural causes or my own hand before we get there. I can barely stand doing this. The tfbtv channel will have enough viewers for you to quit the legal business and do something productive with your life. See, I'm terrified I'm going to get fired from my job as a partner because I would have to do this full time. And I'm terrified to get fired from doing this because I like doing this a little bit. Rock on Swamp Thompson, Jacumba, California. It's a Spanish-style name. You pronounce it like jalapeno. That's really weird. Jacumba, pronounced jalapeno. Oh, I already know what this one is. Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout. This was the first stout I ever drank back when I was either in high school or like freshman year of college, because I was working at McGuire's Irish Pub, and a girl who worked there bought me a 4-pack of these. I think they come in a 4-pack. Effing outstanding. Orange Avenue, Coronado Brewing Company. They make good stuff. It's a shandy with orange and honey. Sounds like extra calories and less booze for me, but it's probably going to be pretty good. And Stone Brewery, Violetta Iris Milkshake IPA. I cannot wait to try this one. You know what? Let's try it right now. It's a milkshake IPA with raspberry, blood orange, and vanilla. And look at this, a nice little Louisiana-style stocking for the cats. Geronimo and Josephine are going to love this. Thank you guys so much for all the Christmas presents. It's April right now, but I'm opening apparently everything from December. I've got a whole shitload of mail. I am behind. You guys know how it is. I have a packed schedule this year. So next week I will be at Rifle Dynamics. We are doing a tfbtv build. It's going to be a 5.56, like a super, super lightweight 5.56 AK. Pretty excited about that. Then in May, filming with Beretta and LTT. Going to do a lot of shotgun content with them. June, we're going up to see Q and SIG. Summer's a little up in the air. We might be going to Steyr in Austria. We might be going to Steyr, US. We might be going to CZ, back to Prague, like we did last year when we were with SMB. But what I know is you're coming along with me because I love doing this. Not really the mailroom thing. This is fucking awful. It takes so much time, like hours and hours and hours for me to make these videos, and then only like 20, 30,000 people watch them. But, you know, for some reason you guys love this shit, so guess I'm going to keep doing it. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.